Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put vitamin E on hair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can significantly benefit your hair's health. It helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, which is crucial for nutrient delivery to hair follicles. This essential vitamin also protects your hair from environmental damage, making it stronger and more resilient. Let's explore the best ways to incorporate it into your routine. One effective method is direct application. Start by mixing a few drops of pure vitamin E oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, to dilute it. Apply this blend directly to your scalp and gently massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps stimulate blood flow and ensures even distribution. You can leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. Another simple way to use vitamin E is by incorporating it into your existing hair care products. Just add a few drops of vitamin E oil to your favorite shampoo, conditioner, or hair mask. Mix it well to ensure it's evenly distributed. This method allows you to benefit from its properties with every wash or treatment, providing continuous nourishment and protection to your hair strands. For optimal results, aim to apply vitamin E oil to your hair 1 to 2 times per week. Always perform a small patch test first to check for any sensitivities. When selecting a product, choose a high-quality, pure vitamin E oil for the best benefits. Remember, consistency is key to seeing improvements in hair strength and shine. Enjoy your healthier, more vibrant hair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.